What's the meaning of Bankside? Bankside. Bankside.
Bankside. Bankside. Bankside is a place name in London, England, referring to the southern bank of the River Thames, opposite the City of London. It was historically a hub for trade and commerce, and became home to many industries such as brewing, pottery, and tanning. In the 16th century, Bankside became synonymous with entertainment due to the popularity of its many theatres, including the famous Globe Theatre where William Shakespeare's plays were performed. Today, Bankside is known for its cultural attractions such as the Tate Modern Museum and Shakespeare's Globe Theatre, as well as its lively restaurants, bars, and markets that draw visitors from around the world.